Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Ridwan Ghazali. I'm from Group 3 Readings. I'm here, want to explain about type of paragraph. Before we start, I want to introduce all the members from the Group 3. The first member is Muhammad Ridwan Ghazali. It's me. The second is Nabila Aulia. Third is Gracia Oktara. And the last one is Anastasia Fitri Hidayat. As you can see, is the table of content of this video. We will talk about 7 material in this video. The first is descriptive paragraph, second is compare and contrast paragraph, 3 is cause and effect paragraph, 4 is expository paragraph, 5 is classification paragraph, and 6 is deductive paragraph, and the last one is argumentative paragraph. Okay, let's start. First is descriptive paragraph. Descriptive paragraph is a paragraph which expresses or describes place, thing, a person in such vivid detail that the reader can easily picture or visualize what is being written about, or they can feel that they involved in the experience. The generic structure of the descriptive paragraph is first identification, 2 is description, 3rd is conclusion. Here's the example of descriptive paragraph. In this paragraph, the title is Talk About My Lovely Room. If the title like this, the title said Lovely Room. If this is a descriptive paragraph, he should tell about his room, his lovely room. So yep, as you can see, in this example, he's talking about his lovely room. Next is compare and contrast paragraph. Compare and contrast paragraph is required if you are asked to examine similarities and differences. Compare focus on similarities, contrast focus on differences. Generic structure compare and contrast paragraph is first introduction, second is thesis statement, 3 main body, 4 conclusion. Example of compare and contrast paragraph. Here the example, comparing the basketball and soccer. Basketball and soccer are sports with many similarities and differences. The similarities we know, basketball and soccer use a big ball to play, and the differences is basketball using hand and the soccer using foot to play the game. Okay, next. 3 is cause and effect paragraph. Cause and effect paragraph explain why an event happened or what the consequence of such an event were. A cause is a reason for or event leading up to. An effect is the result of a cause or causes. Organization. There's organization 2 and 1. If you're writing about the causes, the topic sentence should contain a statement of the effect and an overview of the causes. And the supporting sentence should be contain causes arranged in the chronological or logical order. There's a cause 1, cause 2, and cause 3. And the conclusion, there's a retestment of effect, summary of cause, call for action. And the organization cue, if you're writing about effect, the topic sentence should be contain statement of the cause and overview of the effect. And the supporting sentence should be contain effect arranged in the chronological or logical order by effect 1, effect 2, or 3. And the conclusion should be contained with statement of cause, summary of effect, call for action. Here the transitional expression you can use for cause and effect. If you are to show causes, you can use the first cause. the first cause if you not eat for 1 day. Or you can use the second is the first reason if you are not eat for 1 day. You will be hungry or you will be sick. Or you can use yet another factor or because or is caused by or result from. If you are to show the effect, you can use one important effect. One important effect if you are not sleep well. If you one important effect if you don't sleep well, you will get headache. Or you can use another result or the third outcome or as a result consequently and then next therefore this and so. There's a causal pattern. Effect is because the cause and cause can make an effect. There's a chain reasoning. Cause can cause an effect can cause an effect again. Next is this is the example of headache. Headache can have several causes. One obvious cause is stress. So, stress causes headache. Yep, this is the paragraph cause and effect. Fourth is expository paragraph. Expository paragraph is a paragraph that explains and analyzes a topic giving you information and explanation, fact, or illustration. The organization is first topic sentence, supporting sentence, and conclusion. The transitional word or phrase. Expression you can add in the expository paragraph. You can add expressions such as next, then, after that, and similar signal time sequence. Or the expression such as above, further on, next to, and so forth. Here's the example of the expository paragraph. Okay, next. 5. This classification paragraph. Classification paragraph begins a main idea and discusses the subcategories of the topic comparing and contrasting them with each other. The classification paragraph presents the topic and includes words that let the reader know the paragraph will placing in group. This is step in writing a classification paragraph. First is think of a topic. The create categories that are related to it. 2. Compose a topic. Compose a topic sentence that provide an overview for the entire paragraph. 3 is develop the classification paragraph. Develop the classification paragraph is supporting detail with a sentence describing each type within a class. 4th is compose a final statement for the closing of the classification paragraph. 5 is revise your paragraph after setting it aside for a couple hours. Here's the example. We use example cars. Cars can be classified by height and performance. If we classify by the car by the height and performance, cars have similar features like engine, size, and the ability to travel fast. If we classify it as the luxury, the leather seat, and electronic dashboard. And if we talk about the family, sitting up a car for 6 or more. Next, there's example of the classified paragraph. Yep, the classification is about dog. Dog, there's so many different dogs in this world. Example like breeds of beagles, basset hound, poodles, and countless others. Here's the classification paragraph. 6 is deductive paragraph. Deductive paragraph, a paragraph that uses the deductive order of organization states the main idea in the first sentence. The body sentence of the paragraph are statements that support the main idea. Another name for this organization is general to specific order. Okay, here's the example. Next, the last one is argumentative paragraph. Argumentative paragraph is used when you are arguing for or against a claim or when you are trying to persuade someone to agree with you. An argumentative or paragraph is in which you try to convince the reader of something. You state your reason for believing something and try to get the reader to agree. The generic structure of argumentative paragraph. Introductory paragraph is the first introductory paragraph, second is body paragraph, three is thesis statement, and the last one is conclusion. And here the example of argumentative paragraph. We talk about science and religion. In the first sentence, the communist ideologies believes that science does not need religion. And in this paragraph, it's trying to claim that religion needs science and science needs religion. Okay, that's all the material. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all have a great day.